line, and you'd always hope you didn't get stuck behind the person with a million coupons. Yeah, those days are fading fast. Self-checkout kiosks are popping up everywhere, and they're getting more and more sophisticated. You can scan your own items, bag them up, and pay without any human interaction. And it's not just self-checkout either. Some stores are even experimenting with AI-powered systems that can recognize the items you're picking up and automatically charge you as you walk out. Talk about convenient, right?
Last but not least, let's talk about the backbone of many industries, manufacturing. This is another field that's being transformed by AI and automation. We're talking about robots and AI systems that can work tirelessly on assembly lines, performing repetitive tasks with incredible precision. They can weld, paint, assemble, and even inspect products, all without needing a lunch break or a vacation. And while some people worry that this will lead to massive job losses, it's important to remember that technology has always created new opportunities. As AI takes over more routine tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of manufacturing.
So there you have it. 5 jobs that AI is already replacing. It's definitely a lot to process, but here's the thing. AI isn't here to steal all our jobs and take over the world. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. The key is to be aware of the changes happening around us and to adapt accordingly. Don't miss the end of this video, where I share my top tips for staying ahead of the curve and making sure AI works for you, not against you.